So what do you do after applying a lot of tricks and tips from various YouTubers, be from my channel or any other channel that you're being subscribed, and then you don't actually see any result thus far? Like you've actually seen people commenting on it, and then you feel like, what is going on? Am I doing the wrong thing? Yeah, there are 3 things that you might have actually done wrong when you were starting, and it's actually costing your progress. Okay, so stay tuned. Coming up. Hey, what's up guys, it's EJ here and this is Dallas. So now on this channel we share tricks and tips on health, lifestyle and business, especially online business. We focus on online business for online entrepreneurs. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, okay? And then I know it's kind of challenging, devastating and frustrating when you've actually tried something that someone else tried and then the person said it actually works, but they don't actually see the desired result, or you don't actually see any result at all. I know what it feels like because I've tried it and I've experienced it myself, and I have to change 3 things. These 3 things I'm about to show you, so I'm talking out of experience, okay? So I want you to relax, calm your nerves and listen to what I'm about to say. You might have actually done one of these wrong and it's causing your progress. You might be an online entrepreneur, you might be an entrepreneur, you might be an online marketer, whatever it is, but if you're not seeing any progress thus far after applying a lot of tips, this is what you are doing wrong. Now the first thing I want us to consider is your prime target. What was, or let's say what is your prime target? What was your prime target when you started? Did you start because you saw someone else experiencing the success and then you felt that it's going to be so rosy along the line? No. Or did you start because you wanted to make profit before meeting people's needs? No. Or did you start because you felt like I can just do anything? No, that shouldn't be your prime target. Believe me, if these are your prime target, you're going to stay frustrated, because I know most times you need to, you need quality time for you to get good in what you're doing. You also need quality time to start experiencing progress. If you meet people's needs first, you are doing the right thing, because the same profit you're looking for, the same thing you're looking for, the same acknowledgement you're looking for is going to come from those people you've actually helped in meeting their needs. Okay, so make sure that your prime target is meeting people's needs before profit. Believe me, we all want to make profit, but it shouldn't be your top priority, because if it's your top priority, you're not going to give people satisfactory content, services, or whatever the case may be. So consider doing it right now. I see so many things people do on YouTube. They be like, subscribe to my channel, I have got so many problems, family issues to settle, so subscribe to my channel and start earning on YouTube. Like, it's totally wrong. You don't have to do it. Meet people's needs. We all have a need, so you don't actually have to leave us and start caring about you. So make sure you meet people's needs first. Okay? So if your prime target is profit before meeting people's needs, I want you to reconsider it. But if your prime target is meeting people's needs before profit, good for you, because you have to move over to the next step. So tip number 3. The second thing you've actually been doing wrong with, what I want you to consider doing it right now, is your time. What do you do with your time? How do you spend your time? What actually exhausts your time? Believe me, if you can actually pay attention to this, fine, you're actually on the right track, because most times we discover that how you spend your time, or where you spend your time more, is where you're going to be good at. Think about it. You want to be good in one particular area, but then you don't actually spend more time in that particular area you want to be good at. There are too many online business now, forex trading, oil trading, and expert option, but you don't actually spend more time to study it. You're just, doing another stuff, and then suddenly you start using your money to start making a lot of investment. You're doing yourself harm, because you won't actually go far. It will take you tons and thousands of years for you to get far. So learn to study in that particular area you're looking forward in getting better. That is a way to help yourself. So set your priorities right by making your timing your best priority. Now, how do you make your timing and spend quality time in it? How do you spend quality time in it? I'm not going to answer that for you, because you know how to do it. For example, I'm a YouTuber. I spend most of my time on YouTube. Though I actually do so many other fun stuff and I actually feel tired, but I feel like calming my nerves. It's also part of it. But then you should spend quality time. There should be a consistent time. Let's say a day you bring out 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 8 hours to get better in that day. You're helping yourself, and believe me, you've actually not been doing it, and that is what is holding you down, because if you don't spend quality time in doing that thing, you're not going to get better at it. Believe me. And the last is what we, both myself, have actually been a victim of. And what is it? Getting a life coach. Look, you need to get a life coach. No matter what you're doing, get a life coach in that area. There's someone better than you. The person is going to expose you to so many things. I mean, your life coach is going to help you be the real you. It's going to give you a little platform. Believe me, you need a life coach. I mean, think about it. Your parents are your life coach in some certain areas. They didn't teach you online. There are so many things they taught you that are still inside of you. That is what your life coach is all about. They're going to help you get better. They're going to give you advice. They'll be like, look, this is something that you don't have to do now. Just make sure you study it first. They're going to tell you the times and the season for you to impute and get a better result. That is what your life coach is going to help you do. So reconsider what you've been doing. Make sure that your prime target is the right one by making sure you meet people's needs before making profit. Your thinking should be, how do I meet people's needs? Okay, and after that, you're going to make sure that you spend quality time in what you want to achieve. Lastly, getting the life coach for him to explore you, give you the grace to explore and to do other stuff. You try these things, consider doing it right again. Believe me, most of the tips and tricks YouTuber will give you, you're going to get more result, better result, efficient result than them. So consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. And if by any time you have any other problem you're facing, comment below so I'm going to help you figure it out.